Welcome to Boutir Tutorials. In this video, we'll be guiding you on how to set up Easyparcel to your online store. For best experience, please watch this video in full screen mode and turn on the subtitles. Now, let's begin. Firstly, we'll guide you on how to register for an Easyparcel account. Launch your Boutir app to start. Then, in your home page, click Store Settings option. Tap Delivery. Next, choose Domestic Delivery. Enable Easyparcel. Select Register Now. It will then redirect you to Easyparcel's official website. Then, tap on the three lines at the top left of the page. Choose Sign up for free. Here, you may sign up via email or link via Google or Facebook. Once your account has been created, a pop-up will appear. Now, to proceed with linking Easyparcel to your online store, reopen your Boutir app. Then, in your home page, click Store Settings option. Tap Delivery. Next, choose Domestic Delivery. Enable Easyparcel. Select Connect Easyparcel now. Here, you'll be requested to fill in your address and also the API key to link your account. In order to retrieve your API key, open Easyparcel's website on your browser and log in. Tap on the three lines on the top left of your screen. Scroll down and choose Integrations. Select Add New Store. Scroll down and select Boutir. Then, fill in the required details. Please note that for the store URL, add HTTPS at the front of your Boutir store URL. Copy the API key and reopen your Boutir app. Paste the API key into the API key section. Fill in your address. Once done, click Save. With that, your store is now set. Download Boutir now on Google Play Store or App Store.